Hi, I'm Taliah Waajid. Welcome to the 21st annual Taliah Waajid World Natural Hair and Healthy Lifestyle event. I am so excited and looking forward to seeing you all there. I'm proud to say that after 21 years, this event is so great that there's still none other like it. This is a weekend of not only embracing natural hair, it is a family, community, fun-filled weekend celebration of everything natural, healthy, beautiful, and awesome. This event is the first, the largest, and the best of its kind, with over 30,000 attendees and over 300 exhibitors featuring the latest, the best in health, hair and beauty, wellness, art, fashion, barbering services, consumer and professional free hair and lifestyle workshops, and so much more. Oh, and I cannot forget to mention the Culture Vibe Music Fest on the main stage featuring the best in live music and entertainment. This event is so great because it was built from solid passion, my passion, to empower women to make the choice to unapologetically be who they want to be through hair, health, beauty, fashion, and lifestyle choices that positively affect them, their families, and their communities. Attendees from all over the United States and abroad come to enjoy the show's favorite features, such as the Men's Den, the Fitness Zone, the Pamper Zone, the Children's Corner, and our superstar exhibitors. Thank you so much, guys. You rock. The Culture Vibe Music Fest, the Award of Natural Excellence, and the Power Panel. Our show has something for everyone. So mark your calendar to be in Atlanta, Georgia, April the 21st through the 22nd, 2018, at the Georgia International Convention Center for the best show ever, the Taliah Waajid World Natural Hair and Healthy Lifestyle event. For more details and to purchase tickets, go to www.naturalhairshow.org. And while you're there, don't forget to join our newsletter to receive the latest updates, special offers, and promotions. This is an event that you don't want to miss, so I will see you there.